Given that matrix M equals to this, find the determinants of matrix M. And you are given options such as this from A to E. But then, my duty is to show you how to find the determinants of a matrix. And in this case, we are going to use matrix M, which is this already. All right. So this is the symbol for the determinants of matrix M. All right. So let's go. For me to find the determinants of matrix M, now just watch out. I'm going to use elements in the first row, which is these two, -4 and -4. You can choose any row to work with, but in this case, I'm going to work with element of the first row. All right. So as I'm picking 2, I'm starting with 2 now. See what I'm going to do. Okay. Immediately you pick 2. I pick these 2 here. I am not going to consider element in this direction and element in this direction. So this is the only element I will consider, and that will be 8 minus -2. All right. No, 8 times -2. So this is 8 times -2 minus 1 times 2, which is what? Okay, let me just take it easy for you. -1 times 2. All right. We are done with 2. We are now moving to 4. Now, do not forget that this is a 3 by 3 matrix. So the sign is supposed to be plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. If you can consider this, the first 2 that we pick has a positive sign. The next one has a negative sign. And there is a negative sign here already. So that will make it +4 into, as I am here, I'm not going to go into this direction nor this direction. I will only consider these elements. All right. So this will be 1 times -2, 1 times -2 minus 1 times -2 minus 1 times 2. Okay, -1 times 2. That is for this -4. The next one here is -4. Do not forget that that position is this one here. So as that position is plus, because of the sign here, which is negative, that negative will influence the plus, and this will be -4 into. Now, as we are here, we are not going to go into this direction nor this direction. We will only consider this element here. So that will simply be 1 times 1 minus 1 times 8. So it will simply be 1 times 1 minus 1 times 8. All right. So as simple as that, we are going to now simplify that determinant. So this will now be 2 into 8 times -2 is -16 minus 2. All right, plus 4, which is this 4, into -2, which is 1 times -2 is -2, -2 again. We go over to this one, -4 into 1 minus 8, which is what? -7. All right. So the whole of this inside is -7. For that reason, we will soon simplify it to the least term. All right, this is -18. If you say 2 times -18, you are going to have -36. This is -4 here. Because of the space, I don't want to go over to any position now. So 4 times -4 is -16. And then -4 times -7 is +28. And because of that, if you add -36 minus 16 plus 28, you are going to have -24. All right. So you can see that we can now say, therefore, the determinants